Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can remove SIM card from VIVO phone. So firstly, you gotta find or just have some kind of an injection tool. Here's mine, but if you have needle or unfolded paper clip that is small and narrow enough to fit into this small hole, that will do just fine. Then take your VIVO smartphone, find the SIM card tray that usually looks like that. It is the rounded rectangle oval shape thing that has visible borders and this little hole inside it. Then put your injection tool in, push slightly until the SIM card tray pops right off. Then take it out, remove the SIM cards and put it back in. And that would be pretty much it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.